Hello everyone, I am back to show you a journal that I purchased from Yvonne. This journal, she has a flip through on her channel. The video, which I'm going to link below, it's called a journal called Bloom 10 Size. That's what the name of her video is, and she named this journal Bloom, which I love that name because that is one of my words for the year, this year and next year. So I love that name. But I seen this journal on her channel one day, and I just decided I had to have it. So there's a full flip through on her channel if you want to go check it out. I'm just going to kind of go through it quickly. I haven't went through it yet because I wanted to wait until I actually did this video. And so I've had this journal for like 2 weeks, I think. And it's just been killing me sitting there. But I just couldn't get to it. So I wanted to get to it tonight so that way I could actually go through it myself. She sent me some lace pieces and I wanted to show that. I thought it was so sweet for her to send me some lace, and it is beautiful, beautiful lace. I already took a little sneak peek when I opened it up. Look at this. These are big, big pieces right here. Look at this. Is that not gorgeous? Ah, I see that on the front of a journal of mine, and I will, use that sparingly. A couple. Isn't that pretty? Journals. That way I can get the most out of it. But I'll be using this on my personal journals. Look at that. It's so pretty. I really appreciate the lace. I love lace, and she knows that I use lots of lace. We've done a swap, and this is, I think, this is my fourth Yvonne journal. So I have bought 3 from her, and then I have one that I love this one. I have one that we swapped each other, and we're going to have to do another swap soon. But I had asked her to stamp me some of these Tiffany & Co. on just some scrap paper, and she actually put it on coffee dyed cardstock, which was super sweet of her. So, and these are going to be for my personal use too. But I don't have this stamp, and you can't find this stamp. And when you finally do find it, it is outrageous, the price people want for this stamp. So she stamped some of these for me, which I really appreciate. And I'm going to use those for journaling cards in my personal journal. So thank you so much for those, Yvonne. I appreciate it. I'm going to go through here, and like I said, the full flip through is on her channel. I will link it below, and you can go check it out, because I'm not going to take every little thing out. I just wanted to kind of go through and show you guys. She has lots of things paper clipped in and on, which is nice, because then this one I will use. I've got some that I don't use of hers. The very first one I ever bought was a custom order, and I do not use that one. It is my Paris journal, and I do not use that. Yeah, it's a showcase journal, but this one I will use. I don't know for what, and it'll be a while before I ever use it probably, but I love her work. She's like my crafty hero. Everybody that watches me knows that, so I can't say enough about Yvonne. But and I don't know what's going to come out where here, so bear with me because I've not went through this yet. I love how she cut that out and folded it and distressed it. I mean, it's just, I love the paper she has. And I say this every time I get a journal, and that even feels different than the paper before. She's always got really smooth paper. And that's really a thicker copy paper. That's like a, I don't know, 24-pound copy paper or something. That's a nice weight there. I like that. And I love this little girl, and I like how you've got this taller, thinner pocket here. I'm not used to making TNs anymore. I make the bigger journals, and so I want to go back to making some TNs. I made one not too long ago, and it was very, very awkward because I'm not used to the smaller spaces. I love that rose. And some of this I know is from her digitals. I think this background. This might be also, because I mean, I have her digitals. This might be as well, but I haven't used them enough. They're all printed out, and a lot of them just sitting over there for me, waiting for me to make a certain journal. And I love the tabs she put on too. I know this card right here is, this card is from her, oh, what did she call that? Let me see. I don't have her on my, that's on my face, or on my phone. I forget what, she called that kit. It's in her shop. I'll link her shop below too. It's her newest kit, and it's like ephemera. I don't know. It's just bits and bobs, but I can't remember the name of the kit. Let me see if I can find it right here online, and I'll tell you. I don't have it saved on here because I have it on my phone. So I don't have it bookmarked. I'm trying to reach around the tripod and type on my laptop. That's, if you guys could see how I'm set up right now, you would die laughing. There she is. Okay. Because this has a lot, and I can't reach her. Can I? Yeah, I can. I'll show you guys some of them, because I've got them printed out actually and cut right here. A bunch of the kit right here. So this is actually some of that. And so right here's that card right there. And so these are, no, that one's a different one of her kits, but all of this is part of that kit. And I'll show it to you since I've already got them out here. These are all her journals. Oh, she's got a couple journals for sale, guys. I want that one right there. It's not the French ephemera kit. That's a new kit. I think that might be her newest kit. She's got a couple journals for sale. You guys need to go over and grab them. I really want to buy that one. Oh, Element. Is that it? Elements ephemera? That's not what it's called, is it? I don't know. I just buy them. Excuse me. Is it Elements? Yeah. Elements. Yep, this is it. So it's called Elements, Ephemera, and Collage Kit. So you get a couple collage pages in the background too. So I think that's what those are right there. Right there. That's those. I know that those are, but she has butterflies like that in the collage kit. But anyway, you get these elements, and there's a bunch of them. And this is some of them right here. So I'll show you the elements. I've already got them cut out. There's some really pretty ones, and these are like vintage. There's like wine labels and perfume labels, and just all different excuse me, all different kinds of things. And you can print them out, and you can change your settings and make them smaller if you'd like. I printed these on cardstock because I was going to use these as journaling cards. And some of them could even be, I love these too. These are really cute. These could even be like, you could make them like she did as a tuck spot, and then, because they're cardstock. But you can, excuse me. Sorry about that. But you could print them on, well, you know, a thinner cardstock or copy paper. I love the Paris ones. They're my favorite. Oh, I think I printed this twice. Yep, that's another one of her kits right there. And then here's some more. I love these. I said there's a lot here. I hope I'm not, there's not two kits. This is the same kit. And then this is another one of hers. I think this is on her I think this is on her coffee shop, I think. That one might be too on her coffee shop. So you can check out her coffee shop too. Okay, so back to the journal. This is one of my favorite things I've seen her do. And I want to do this in my journals. But she has a tutorial on this as well on her channel. And I forget what she calls it. You just have to look because I'm not actually sure. But the pocket, it's like an envelope. And it flips over like this. And so you have the tuck spot here, which I love this ephemera. And so you have this tuck here, but then you have a pocket right here. So you can put this here, and then this flips out. Excuse me. And then you have this here. So, and look at that pretty paper right there. So you have all those tuck spots. And that tucks there too. So you got all the tuck spots and pockets there. And I love that girl. She's my favorite girl right there. That image. And I know Yvonne loves her too. She's just really pretty. There's the Tiffany & Co. print, which is really pretty. I love the birds. I mean, this was just so colorful and had so much floral and butterflies and the birds. I just loved it and I had to have it. So that's really pretty. I don't know if that's one of hers or Artie Mae's. I'm not sure now. That might be one of her rose, that one rose kit she has. Blossom, rose, I don't even know now. They said I just buy them and use them. I can't keep up with the names. And she has, like I said, she has that new French ephemera kit. It's really, really pretty. I can't wait to use all this stuff. Oh, come on, Lisa. I'm pulling an Yvonne now. I can't get it back in the pocket. Okay. And then this one is, you know, I'm about to take it off, but it's an envelope that you fold over like that, and then you put your card down in there. Is that not pretty? Oh, I love it. And then you can see the paper in the background like that. And I know she has a tutorial on this as well. I think. Now I say I think because after I said that, then I'm almost positive she does. And a lot of her stuff is called Let's Make. And I think she has, no, I don't think, I know she has a playlist because I've watched it. She has a playlist and it's called Let's Make. And so you can find all of her tutorials and stuff on there of how she makes all this stuff. If you're interested, here's the center. And then here is, let's see, how's this work? It tucks right there. So this tucks right behind that girl, or you've got this spot here. Lots of French ephemera. I love that card. It's so pretty. I love roses. And since it's her, all her digitals and stuff, I can use all of these here too. They would match. And the kits that I have of hers, I can just print out more and use them right in here. They're all going to match. So I like that. It's really pretty. I love those colors together, that yellow. And I love the sewing. I don't know what stitch she's using, but that's really pretty. I don't have that on my sewing machine. And then here is just a pocket. How is that in there? Oh, it's up here. I couldn't even see the tag from where I'm sitting. So the tag's up. Oh, this is the one she couldn't get in. So this is the one I think she couldn't get back in when she did the video. I'm not even going to take it out right now, because then I wouldn't be able to get it out. And then you have this pocket right here. Oh, look at those roses. Aren't those pretty? Ooh, I love them. And then another one of those flip out like pockets here. And so you have this card here. Another little girl. So pretty. And then you have this tuck spot here. And then you have another one right there. And, I can't do it. I'll take it off there. I love how that's layered up. Look at those pretty colors together. I like that. thought I said I wasn't going to take it all out, but I did anyway. Oh, I love that card. I don't know whose card that is. I don't even know whose these are either, because I've seen her use these. Yvonne, let me know whose printable this is, the Tiffany & Co. Because I really like these. I want those. I need to buy those. Because I'm not sure whose those are. I don't know, and I don't recognize it. There's another large card tag she made. And this one, I do believe that's one. I think that's her rose. What was the name? Blossom Rose or something she had. And then she just did a lot of layering. She did a lot of work in this journal. There's a lot of sewing, a lot of layering. But she puts a lot of time and work in her journals. I do not know how she gets so many journals made so quick. I've always said she is a journal making machine. I mean, she can kick out journals like they're nothing. That is the journal. And it's a chunky one, but it's like, you know, as you can see, it's still like, you know, smaller, but it's just good feeling in your hand. Like, it's like the perfect size for me. I love it. So I wanted to share it with you guys. And thank you, Yvonne, for all the little goodies you sent me. I love it all. And I will write in this journal, I swear. I always say that and then I don't. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. So that's number 4. I'm keeping track of all my journals. But I hope you guys liked this little video. And go check out her shop. Like I said, I think this is on her coffee page. And so you'll find the link to that on her YouTube channel. And I'll link her video, her flip through of this below, and I'll link her shop below so you can go check out her digitals. And they're very reasonably priced, so that, you know, you can buy plenty of her digitals and have all these, and you're going to be good to go. So let me know if you do get any, and tell me which ones are your favorite. So, alright guys, I will be back soon with another video. I hope you are all doing well. I hope that you've had a great summer. It's almost over. Oh, boo-hoo. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.